So most people think that people start declining once they reach the age of 50 and your body starts to degenerate. Unfortunately, it starts much earlier than that. After age 30, there's an accumulation of factors that occur, and you'll see changes in muscle fiber density, you'll see changes in energy production of what they call the mitochondria, which is the motors of all our cells, and you'll see your VO2 max drop. That's the efficiency with which you use oxygen in your body. Most people think that there's no way to test these things, but we can test them with early markers with specialized lab testing. So we can do these for you so you can get an early indication about what's happening with degenerative processes in your body. The goal is to address degenerative changes early so we don't have to do a lot of work later on to come backwards. It's much more harder to repair long years of damage than it is to do early intervention so we can get an early start on doing those processes in your body to get you healthier and last longer, so that at the end of your life or towards the farther years of your life, it's not about reparative and regeneration. You're spending more time on maintenance. We want to be healthy and have a nice health span and enjoying the quality of our life. So get your lab panels done now at an early age and get the interventions in place now, whether you're using peptides, cellular therapies, hormones, nutrition, dieting. Put all those things into a structured plan now. And there's fun and easy ways of doing that to make your life easy now. Thank you very much.